Hello, followers of this channel. In this video, we will see how to easily clean up Gmail inbox. Gmail inbox cleaning means organizing and reorganizing your email inbox by deleting unnecessary emails and identifying useful ones to improve our email data storage. We can easily clean your Gmail inbox using Gmail filters to keep it clean and organized. There are different ways to clean your Gmail inbox. In this video, we will see how to easily delete promotional emails or social messages from Gmail inbox. You may receive several messages every day, but Gmail automatically reads the messages sent to us and categorizes them correctly. So no need to search up and down in your inbox to delete these promotional emails. This eliminates the possibility of accidentally deleting an important email when deleting promotional emails. To clear promotional or social messages sent to our email. First, we open our Gmail account in our browser. Next, scroll down from the list on the left side and right-click once on Categories. Right-click once on Promotions from the list of categories. Finally, we can select and delete the promotional or social messages that come to us. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the channel.